everyone, this is Brian Bracken again. We're going to look at changing the background video here on this module. So the first thing we're going to do is go up to Enable Visual Builder. Once the Visual Builder is loaded, we're going to go again to Edit Module Settings, which is the little gear. And once we have the full width slider settings loaded, we're going to click on the little gear here that says the Power Lead System. Once we have that section loaded, we'll just scroll down. Here's the background video MP4. We can also use WEBM. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this video by uploading. Now, just to save time, because uploading will take a little bit of time, we're going to just select this particular video here, Earth 5604, and we're going to click Upload. We'll see this background video will change in a moment. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Save Changes, and then we're going to click Save Changes again. And if we want to actually physically save the background video, we'd have to then again go to the three little dots at the bottom and click Save. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to edit the page using the secondary method. Okay, so we're going to click Edit Page. We're going to discard and exit, and then show you how to edit the page using the auxiliary method. So we're going to discard and exit. Once the page is loaded in the dashboard, what we're going to do is go here to the three dashes, full width slider. That way we can edit the module. Once the module is loaded, we're going to go again to the slide, click on the three dashes, and we're going to scroll down and look for the background video. Here's where the background video is, and we're going to click Upload Video. Again, if we want to upload a video, we can actually click Upload, select Files when we're ready. Just remember, there is a maximum upload file size of 20 megabytes. But for now, to save time, we're going to click on Media Library, and we'll select this video here. All right, let's set the background. Now the next thing that we have to do is click Save. Then we have to click Save and Exit. And again, what we need to do is we need to update this page so that those settings will be saved. So let's click Update. So once those settings have been saved, we're going to go over here to the permalink and we're going to check the page and see the difference between the two background videos. Notice the background video now has changed. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll go on to our next video. Thank you.